The government's programme to carry out improvements to the tourism project is well underway. Improvements have already been completed at Waterport Fountain. Works have also started at the toilet facilities at the 100-ton gun exhibition, the viewing platform outside the Great Siege Channels, and at St Michael's Cave. The improvements of St Michael's Cave will include the refurbishment of the toilets, widening of the bridge, the steps inside the cave, the present exit which will become the cave's new entrance, a new ticket office, new turnstiles, a specialized lift at the new entrance, and general improvements to the exterior of the site. These works are expected to be completed by March this year. Commenting on the improvements, the Honourable Neil Costa, Minister for Tourism, Commercial Affairs, Public Transport and the Port, says the following.
Her Majesty's Government of Gibraltar is committed to investing in the tourism attractions in an unprecedented manner. These works will begin the process of offering an improved visitor experience to this marvellous destination, and this is only the start.